Hello, it's Yuto from SadachiRecipes.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Japanese onigiri rice ball. It's safe to say that the most lunchboxy food in Japan is onigiri rice balls. You could find it in supermarkets, convenience stores, bento shops, and of course, we make them by ourselves at home too. When I was at high school, I always had to prepare my lunchbox myself. I had to make lunch in the morning for myself. So I'm not saying I'm professional, but I think I've got some good ideas on this to share. So this is the setup, or workstation if you prefer. There's a big bowl of iced water, cooked Japanese white rice, and some salt. First, you put your hands into the icy water for about 15 to 20 seconds. Oh, of course, wash your hands before that, yeah? Yeah, I know it's freezing cold, but this is an important process to stop the rice from sticking to your hands. Yeah, it's cold. Really cold. Now, my hands are slightly numb. Scrub 1 or 2 pinches of salt onto your hands. Then put a handful of cooked rice. It's not so hot because of the icy water now. The ultimate aim is to make triangle shape, but you don't want to handle the rice for too long. Quicker is better. In the end, it doesn't have to be perfectly shaped. It will be in your stomach anyway. Some people do round shape or cylinder shape. If you prefer these, go for it. There's no specific rule here. Okay, next, I'm gonna make one with a filling. This method works for most fillings, but today I'm going to use tuna mayonnaise. So again, I'm going to put my hands into the icy water and rub some salt over them. Rubbing salt on your hands is an important step. Not only does it add flavour, but it helps preserve the rice for when you take them in your lunchbox. Here's a fun fact: because there's such convenient food that is handy to eat on the go, onigiri rice balls were staple military supply food in medieval times, or maybe even before that. And now, it's one of the most popular lunchbox foods. So the tip to making a rice ball with filling would be making a dent in the center for the filling. Then kind of wrap the filling with the rice so that it stays in the center. And depending on the saltiness of filling, you might want to scrub a little less salt on your hands as well. Then wrap them with nori seaweed if you like. Easy and quick, right? We have onigiri filling ideas on our website. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.